Yesterday in the Facebook group, Nina asked how to go about getting both of these girls to be able to hug each other. This is from the Holiday Girls Custom kit, and the kit has it to where there is one arm hugging on each side. So if you want to make them both hug, there's a pretty easy way to do that just with using your eraser. And I'm also a big fan of making new clip art by using the eraser. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Several people sort of explained how to do it, so I thought I would show my way of how I do it and see if that helps. So what I do is first have the girls sitting side by side, and where they're sitting, this depends on where this arm is, the white sweater. There has to be enough room. In real life, they would be sitting about this far apart because this is where their arms would naturally allow each of them to hug each other across the back. So the first way I'll show is this way, and then if you want to sit them closer together, there's also a way to do that, and I'll do that next. But first, we have the two girls sitting side by side. Then with the white sweater, I duplicate that and place it on the very top. So now you've got a white sweater behind, the red sweater in the middle, and then a white sweater duplicate on top. Now, what I'm going to do is erase all of this sweater except for the arm across the red sweater. So I will reduce my opacity on that so I can see the red sweater behind it. Then I enlarge this area pretty much because I want to get a good look at that, so you can get it as big as you feel comfortable working in. And then what I'll do first is I'm going to select kind of an area. I'm in Photoshop, so I just select an area, and I've got to make sure I've got the correct layer selected, and I'm going to delete that. I'm going to go a little bit more because I don't want to use a big brush to erase with. So grab a little bit more and delete that. Now if you get your eraser, and then you just start whittling away at this white sweater until you can see that black line behind it. Kind of carefully go through here, and you just erase that white sweater right up to that black line. Okay, so you've got it to where it's touching the outline of the red sweater. Okay, now I'll reduce this down again. And then if I make it 100%, now I go and delete everything on that very top layer only, white sweater, except for the arm. And that's how you do it. So what we really have is the top layer that's just the white sweater arm, and the back layer, bottom layer, is just the regular layer like you started with. So that's it. Hope that helps.